It's not a renovated house. It's a brand new house. When you build brand new, you can do anything. But when you renovate, that's not an easy task. That's not easy for the normal builder can't do that. It needs a special skills. I'm Vinay. I'm living in this house since 2013. The home was fine, but I was looking into change the windows and renovate the bathroom. But one by one, and then kids are growing. I thought like, why do I need to do one by one? Let's do for the next 20 years, 30 years, what we needed. So that's how we started. When Sadiq came on board, like I was explaining all my design things, and this is how I want to achieve it. Like he understood very well, and he said, okay, this is achievable, and then I realized, okay, this guy knows what he's doing. That's how I was committing with Esteem Constructions, and I started a journey, and it's going well. In this house, all the glass, just the glass alone, about 1.2 ton, just the glass alone, for all the windows and everything is double glazed. Actually, I was asking a shadow line finish between like the vision, how I am designing this is like when you look at the 3D view from the floor, from the wall, from the ceiling joint, wherever the joints is coming, I don't want any extra projection. Everything need to be flush. So flush and like a small shadow line. So that's been achieved very well. I love every part of this house. Like if you look at the front, there is a step and the door and the bifold door, it's a future. And if you get into the house and you see the skirtings, everything like nice awning windows, and it's an open plan living. When you get into the bedroom is nice space, and joinery is coming there as well. And if you get to my son's carrel bathroom there, like that got all the supports there. It's every place I love it.